What goes well with a nice and sleek Xiaomi TV? A nice and sleek Xiaomi soundbar. And yes, what do you think of my outfit? It's time for some pineapple fried rice. No, I'm just kidding. Is this any good? Is this actually worth your money? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel, and today we'll be taking a look at the Xiaomi Mi soundbar. Mi meaning for Xiaomi, not me, as in MI. So this is an 8-driver monster that promises to deliver around 28 watts of power. Okay, and it's going to be quite the nice companion to my Xiaomi TV, which you can actually look at the review unboxing up there. Okay, so this is, as mentioned, this is an 8-driver monster. It has 2 tweeters, 2 subwoofers, and 4 radiators. The tweeters are actually 2 by 20 millimeters. Tweeters are your treble ones, the one that drive the high frequencies. We also have the 2.5-inch woofers. Woofers are the ones that handle the low frequencies, and the radiators are one for the rest. Alright, so before further ado, let's open this up and see what do we find. Okay, you'll find an instruction manual. So for those of you guys who don't understand Chinese, good luck. No, I'm just kidding. You can take a look at the pictures as shown. So they show you the step-by-step guide, which is actually quite simple. I will show you guys through it. Okay, there it is. So as you can see, this is huge. This is one long soundbar. Okay, for reference, this is the length of my elbow, arm, half arm, okay, whatever. And it's like only halfway. So you need another, so it's about a length of probably an entire arm, yeah, around there. And it's not very heavy, so you can see I'm lifting it with one hand. This is a white variant, so they also have the black variant as well. But I prefer the white one because it's a bit more classy. So as you can see, this is actually cloth. Okay, so you can feel all the speakers inside. This is the top. So you can, there are buttons over here. So this is the minus, this is the plus, this is your volume up, your volume down. This is actually the different inputs. So the Mi soundbar supports Bluetooth 4.2. Okay, it has aux in, that is your 3.5mm jack. Line in, SPDIF, which comes included with the SPDIF cable. And last but not least, optical. So moving to the rear, you see the ports that are in. Okay, you see the power input over here. This is the Toslink, the optical in. Okay, this is probably your line in. Okay, this is your SPDIF, and last but not least, this is your 3.5mm jack. In terms of accessories, it has the power cable adapted, power cable provided. So this is the China version, so you need to get your own adapter to work in your country. Okay, this is the SPDIF cable. Okay, and this is the mounting screws if you want to mount this to the wall. Let's set it up on the table first, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, the speaker has been set up. Okay, and yeah, all you need to do is to just plug the power cable into the speakers. So by default, it actually launches using the line in or the SPDIF. So just press the Bluetooth if you're going to be using the Bluetooth feature. Okay, so let me demonstrate to you how this sounds. Okay, so I'm just going to be using my phone. Okay, I'm just going to go to my Bluetooth. Okay, so as you can see automatically, okay, if the camera even focuses. Okay, so just press the Mi soundbar. It should pair. Okay, but first remember you gotta press the Bluetooth button first. So pairing request, just press OK. Okay, and it should be done. Yeah, you heard that sound? Alright, so let's go to Spotify, play some tunes. Let's play a Taylor Swift song. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Okay, not too long, later I get copyrighted. Okay, so right now I'm at about, let's see. Let's say I press the power up button to the max. Okay, and my volume is at about half. So this is what it's gonna sound like. I have another song. Let's go with here. Nice. Okay, let's have one last test. How about stop and stare? Nice. Can you hear the acoustic guitar? Yeah, so unfortunately I can't play too long because later I'll get copyrighted. So anyway, this speaker, it is about 1.9 kg. So let's check out the dimensions. Okay, the length, it is about 82 cm. Okay, the width, it is about 7 cm. And the height, it is about 8 cm. Okay, so it is quite long, so make sure that your table, your bench can fit the entire length of the soundbar. Alright, it has rubber feet at the bottom, so you know that's a good thing because it will not move around in your bench because of the vibrations. Okay, so if not, this is actually a very nice complement to the Xiaomi TV. In fact, this is the 43-inch. You can see that the dimensions are almost there, like it is flush with the design of the bench. So yeah, it's a pretty good addition to your home. It's a pretty budget but great addition to your home. Alright, if not, that should be the end of our unboxing and first look at the Xiaomi Mi soundbar. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.